Okay, so we're 7 days into construction. We've removed the old-fashioned separation between the waiting room and the receptionist. We've got a more patient-friendly counter configuration going on. And over here in the private office, I've sacrificed some space from my private office, which was honestly a little bit too big for my needs. And we moved the wall that was here. That's where the wall was, right there. We moved it about 3 feet into the private office. I'm going to go through the wall here to make room for the panoramic cephalometric X-ray machine. So construction is moving along, and hopefully, God willing, someday very soon, this will be a busy orthodontic practice full of happy patients. Thank you for watching.